Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify store for a clothing brand. First, select a suitable Shopify plan and register your unique domain name. Next, customize your store's theme to perfectly reflect your brand's unique style and aesthetic. Finally, create essential pages such as About Us and Contact Us to provide customers with important information and build trust from day one. This foundational setup is crucial for a strong online presence. Now, let's add your clothing products. Upload high-quality images that showcase your items beautifully, alongside detailed, compelling descriptions. Organize your clothing items into logical collections, such as dresses or t-shirts, making it simple for customers to find what they need. Efficiently manage your inventory levels and set up product variants, like different sizes and colors, to offer a comprehensive shopping experience for everyone. Next, we'll tackle shipping and payments, vital for any e-commerce store. Configure your shipping rates and clearly define your delivery zones to ensure customers know what to expect. Integrate secure payment gateways, offering multiple options like credit cards and digital wallets for smooth and trustworthy transactions. Finally, accurately set up your tax settings according to your business location, ensuring compliance and clarity for all purchases. With your store nearly ready, it's time to think about marketing and launch. Implement basic search engine optimization strategies to help customers discover your brand more easily. Utilize social media platforms and email marketing campaigns to connect with your audience and drive traffic. Before going live, thoroughly review every aspect of your store, from product pages to checkout, ensuring a flawless experience for your very first customers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.